machine and I got this slime. And so it's actually really cute. So, but I don't trust it. It already exploded, but it seemed really good. So, not that good. It's only a little, so I'm not surprised that they didn't give me a lot because, yeah. It's not even stretchy. Okay, I do not know why I bought this. It's really bad. Like, really bad. It doesn't smell good either. It doesn't smell good either.
More out.
This was $1. Really? $1? This. Let's see if I can get anything else.